Hello, this is Jessica and welcome to Up North Agent. I am a real estate agent in Minnesota and Wisconsin, as well as an investor and an Up North enthusiast. Today I wanted to talk pretty quickly about vacation rentals in the winter months. A question that I get often asked is, Jessica, we know that vacation rentals are going to be lucrative in the summer, even the spring and the fall, but what about the winter? Do we have to plan to essentially shut down our short-term rentals in the winter, or that we won't make any money? And surprisingly, and I thought the same thing, that's not the case. I think now with the pandemic, and hopefully someday we'll be able to say post-pandemic, that people are looking to get out of their homes and to have a different experience in the winter than they would get potentially even staying in a hotel. One thing that I found with my up north vacation rentals is that the guests that are coming in the winter are actually just coming from an hour and a half away, sometimes only 45 minutes away. They're just looking to get outside of the four walls in which they are in and day out. Now, they aren't booked back to back like they are in the summer months, but I would still say that they're at 85% capacity. And, the rate's a little bit different. So in the summer months where we say maybe charge $160 per night, we're charging about $145 or $150 per night in the winter, but not a huge difference. So still very much a lucrative proposition throughout the entire year. Something else to think about when it comes to a short-term rental is that you don't need to have them rented, say 28 nights a month, for them to be money makers for you. What you need to do is figure out what that monthly cost is going to be all in once you put in your property taxes, interest, and your mortgage payment, if there is one. And do the reverse engineering. Add in all the costs to operate the business, to clean the rental. And then after that, you just really want to divide by what you're estimating you're going to charge on an average nightly rate. You may find that you really only need to rent 7 or 8 nights a month for it to be a money-making investment property for you. Anything after that is just the gravy on top. So as you're thinking about a vacation rental and you're budgeting for that investment, know that even here in northern Wisconsin, it absolutely is going to be a good use of your dollars throughout the entire year. Again, my name is Jessica. If you have any more specific questions about a vacation rental, seasonality, anything of that sort, go ahead and put it in the comments. Otherwise, reach out to me. In the description, you'll find my website and how to get in touch with me if you would like to work with me directly, or if there's more that I can help you with specific to vacation rentals or anything buying and selling real estate. Talk to you next time.